Hey guys, it's Carlos again from the HID factory, and today we have the Ram 1500. On this vehicle, the customer wanted something a little bit more custom. He didn't just want to buy a pre-existing headlight, something generic, something everyone has. He wanted to modify his existing one. So we did to his OEM headlight. We opened it up. We went ahead and color matched the inside bezel to his truck color and added our halos and our C halos. We've also done that to his fog lights. Again, we opened it up, color matched the interior bezel, added we actually retrofitted those fog lights for HIDs and added the halo ring. So it's kind of one of our little bigger projects, more in depth or custom look. So pop that on. So yeah, those are going to be the halos. What's special about these halos, these aren't color shift, these are actually our switchbacks. So if you've seen our previous videos with the bipolars, we actually have the switchback halo suit. What that does is when you're ready to turn, they go from a white bright to a amber turn signal. And also we've got our HID kit up top and our HID kit at the bottom. That's why we did projector retrofit on his fog lights. He wanted HID up top and on bottom. So yeah, when you want something just custom, something only your truck is going to have, something only you're going to have, I mean, again, we get your paint code, we match it up to any color, we go send it out from the dealership, get that exact color paint, and we can do your bezels, we can do your fog lights, interior glow and glow. And for this customer, we also wanted something different in the back. We went ahead and did a light tint over his existing tail lights. And again, as always, the fog lights, we do those LED. But yeah, guys, also if you guys wanted the blacked out emblem, we can black out the emblem. I mean, it's just, he wanted to focus on the front being completely different than anything you've seen. So that's what we helped him out with. That was his project, that was his goal. And like I say, he's pretty excited about it. He's on his way to pick it up. So hopefully he enjoys the truck. And again, guys, any projects you got coming up, if you want to do something one-off, or if you're just trying to just something basic as lighting, interior lighting, exterior lighting, I mean, we're help you guys, I mean, however big or small your project is. But as always, thanks again for watching. And again, anything we sell in store, we sell online at thehidfactory.com. If you need any help, just give us a call. We're here for you guys. Thanks again.